Welcome. In the next 16 minutes, we'll enjoy a gentle Tai Chi walking practice designed to help support belly fat loss, improve full body mobility, and leave you feeling calmer, lighter, and refreshed. Let's begin together. Take a deep breath. Move at your own comfortable pace. Exercise 1. 3, 2, 1. Start. Float the arms forward and lift them overhead with ease. Keep your body tall and let the breath stay natural. Exercise 2. 3, 2, 1, begin. Open the arms wide, lift them overhead, then gather inward as you sink. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your stance grounded. Exercise 3. 3, 2, 1. Let's begin. Open the arms wide, then sink into a wide stance as the hands gather downward. Keep your spine tall and shoulders relaxed. Exercise 4. 3, 2, 1. Join me. Lift one palm upward as the other hand settles gently. Shift your weight with ease and keep the shoulders relaxed. Exercise 5. 3, 2, 1. Follow along. Open the arms wide, then cross step as both hands rise overhead. Keep the movement flowing and your balance steady. Exercise 6. 3, 2, 1. Move with me. Sink into a wide stance with hands gathered. Then open the arms as you rise. Keep the chest relaxed and movement steady. Exercise 7. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it together. Raise one arm forward and up as the other hand settles behind the back. Stay centered and move with quiet control. Exercise 8. 3, 2, 1. Let's move together. Keep your hands on your hips as one knee lifts gently. Stay upright, steady, and let the movement feel light. Exercise 9. 3, 2, 1, begin. Cross the arms gently in front, then open them wide with control. Keep your chest soft and your breathing natural. Exercise 10. 3, 2, 1. Let's begin. Place one hand on the waist and sweep the other arm overhead into a gentle side bend. Stay long through the body. Exercise 11. 3, 2, 1. Join me. Swing both arms forward and lift them overhead as one leg floats back. Keep your body tall and breathing easy. Exercise 12. 3, 2, 1. Follow along. Lift one knee as one arm sweeps upward and the body turns gently. Stay balanced and keep the motion smooth. Exercise 13. 3, 2, 1. Move with me. Lift one knee as the opposite fist rises near the shoulder. Keep your posture tall and your balance steady. wonderful job today. Thank you for sharing these peaceful 16 minutes with me. Every gentle step helps build better balance, strength, and overall well-being. If you enjoyed this Tai Chi walking practice, please like, subscribe, and join me again for another relaxing session. Until next time, stay healthy, stay active, and take good care of yourself.